Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you this package that I received from Sony.jp, and because my YouTube channel is grown so big now, I've been actually contacted by Sony.jp to review their top secret product, and you guys will not believe this when I show it to you guys, but it's insane, right? Okay, so basically there's nothing on the box that says it has some stickers or whatever, but nothing on the box that indicates what this is, right? It has some numbers here. Yeah, but if we open it up inside, and what we get is, now this if you're not a computer expert, if you didn't go to computer school, you probably are have no clue what this is. But this is what's called random access memory. Most people will just call it RAM though. But this is RAM, and this is good. Let me get it to the light here. So this is RAM. Now what is this RAM for? It's, you see, this is a, one of these is a, I can't get it to focus on the camera. You're just gonna have to trust me. One of these is a 512 megabytes. So these two can total up to 1 gigabyte of RAM. Now this is a Sony product for the Sony PSP. So what Sony made is, because the graphics on the PSP, right, you know, they look good, but they want to make PlayStation 3 graphics. So they're basically putting more RAM in the PSP. They're gonna sell this, and this is how the new PSP is gonna look. So I'll show you here with my PSP 2000. So if I sort of open the drive bay, so we're here now, and I've successfully set it up. So basically, here's what you need to do for this RAM upgrade. So you have your PSP. You know how the PSP has a door here. That's the door for the UMDs. But this is actually where you're supposed to put your RAM. So if we put it like this, and sort of, so we can put 512 megabytes. And then we can put another 512. That's going to be a 1 gigabytes. And if you close that, now this is the prototype. It's not actually going to be this bulky when you're using it, because this is kind of bulky. But I have 512 megabyte, 1 gigabyte of RAM in my PSP. This is so cool. I'm going to post screenshots of what the graphics will look like, because I can't really show it to you on camera, because it is a top secret product, and I don't know if I'm supposed to make this video, but just so you guys know it's real. This is the PSP, and if you open it back here, this is the RAM, one RAM cartridge, and the other one comes out like this, right? So this is not a joke, guys. Some people might not believe me, because they think, oh, Sony would not send this to DarkGary. Well, DarkGary is a big YouTube channel, guys. We're a big YouTube channel. We have so many subscribers. We might even reach Smosh in subscriber, and Fred, and all these other big channels. So if you guys would please help me out to beat Fred and beat Smosh, that would be so great. I'm almost there. I'm at 300 subscriber now. So I'm at 300 subscribers, and don't worry, I think we can catch up to Fred or Smosh one day, right? So that's gonna do it for this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.